You really gotta watch your head in here. The dragon's that way.
Really?
Oh my god. Like there's a pickleball court right here. Pickleball is very popular in Vietnam. Oh, we can't even see inside. Oh, look at all these fruits. What are those, grapefruit? So I believe this is Tam Coc city proper right here. Just look at how incredible these limestone mountains are. Wow. Good morning, guys. We've arrived at the Trang An. We've arrived at the famous Trang An boat ride very early. I think that's the best time to go so it isn't too hot and not too crowded. We already have our tickets. I bought mine on Klook for $10.19. Any tourist destination would not be complete without a Starbucks. Looks like the tour buses are already arriving, so it's probably best if we head on to the boat already. Wow, look at this place. People here taking photos. So we have our Klook code already. We need to go this way, she said. There's a little cafe. They're setting up a dragon right there. So that is the ticket booth right here. If you don't already have your tickets, 250,000. And this is where we need to be. Wow, it is such a beautiful morning today. So magical. Assuming that's the loading station right there, and here's where you choose your route. I believe the most popular one is Route 3. It's also the longest one. Three other people. Oh. Alright, got a new friend here. Hello. Hello. So those are the boat drivers just leaving. Wobbly. It's okay. Looks like we can help her paddle. Cave. Oh wow. You really gotta watch your head in here. Alright, we made it to our first stop. Absolutely beautiful. That was a good bathroom break. Now I gotta meet the rest of the group back at the boat. I didn't really get a time on how long we have. Hello. Yeah, that's our boat driver right there. So we're back on the boat and now we've just departed our rest stop. So what did you say about King Kong? What's King Kong?
It filmed like here.
Oh, they filmed
Yeah,
King
they
Kong
filmed it
here. Oh, okay. That makes so much sense. So yes, they did film King Kong here. Looks like it. Hey guys, we've reached our second stop. It's like we are at a temple. But just look at this place. Absolutely breathtaking. March is 112. Hello.
Hello.
May I have a venti iced matcha latte?
Yeah.
So I think we're at the right place. Get some fresh fruits. Just right beside the other boat ride. I believe this is the Tam Coc boat ride.
Noodles con chicken. No,
Looks freaking delicious. This thing just keeps going. That's like the third pet cafe I drove past. Cool concept, cool idea. Have a drink, have some food, and hang out and feed the ducks, and the chickens, and other animals. But wow, just look at this place. So far, Ninh Binh is definitely up there. Use Hanoi as like a base, I guess, but then I would definitely not miss Ninh Binh. Wow, I am so glad we got here now. $100,000. Thank you. Okay, that's it. It is beautiful here. Some horse statues here. Waterfall already. I don't know if you can see that, but that's where we're going up. There's a laying dragon up there. And it looks like a pagoda. Oh, look at these nice bonsai trees. Very festive. Koi fish pond. This whole thing looks like a resort. Yeah, those are definitely villas you can stay in. Yeah, village cave house. Very nice. The lotus garden over there. 500 steps. Here we go.
Yeah, me too.
Just climbing. We've reached the fork. So that's right. I think that way is the dragon is that way. Dragon's this way. So they even have a mini mart up here. Very good to have. And these are not small steps. Viewpoint 1. That is beautiful.
Move on.
Okay, I think I'm up here.
Okay.
Okay, we made it to the laying dragon. Oh, I see, you really gotta climb to get to the dragon. We are not lighting up any. No, thanks. But look at the view from here. Beautiful. There's a ladybird up here. Just gotta go chill in here. The goat is asking for a snack. She's pregnant. It's a pregnant goat. These are ducks. Yeah, I don't think I can eat a whole roasted duck, so I'm assuming that's the duck that's roasting out there. And they got everything: shrimp, squid, fried pork, stir-fried noodles, pho. Chef Hain restaurant. Yeah, they have like 5K reviews. 4.8 stars. I mean, they're like. So honestly, during my 3 days here in Ninh Binh, I really like it. The only thing I really don't like is the pollution. The pollution is pretty bad. The locals burn trash, but that's what happens when you're in the countryside. People are really nice, but the drivers are aggressive. They like to honk a lot. I think that's how it is in northern Vietnam. They like to honk a lot. They're very vocal when they're driving compared to people down in central Vietnam and south. Plenty of hikes here. I did 2 hikes here and I've been craving that for a while now. Yeah. Also the food here is really good. Very good food. Now I'm excited for this bún chả. I ordered bún chả and fried vegetable spring rolls. It's just so nice to see the different versions of bún chả. The veggies, rice noodles. We got pineapple in there. And then the veggie fried spring rolls. Yes. So exciting. Alright guys, let's try this bún chả. My favorite. These wooden? No, they're not. Veggies in the soup. Mosquitoes. Gonna get attacked. Alright guys, here we go. Let's try the pork. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wow!
Wow, that is so good. Bún chả is the only pork dish I will eat. The pork is so tender. So cool being around travelers. They're just talking about their Southeast Asia trip, or Southeast Asia plans. Oh, it's so good. I think this is some of the best food I've had, honestly. 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10. Very good bún chả. Very good spring rolls. Thank you.
You can. Sorry.
Alright. Some of the best Vietnamese food I've had. Chef Heinz. Really good. Try their bún chả and their spring rolls. Maybe their duck if you're into that, but my mom has like 20 plus pet ducks and I can't. Very good. Ninh Binh is pretty chill at night. It's Friday night and it's very quiet. I don't think there's much of a nightlife here. This is where I'm gonna end it. Tomorrow morning I have a flight. Actually no, tomorrow night. Tomorrow morning I take the van back to Hanoi. My flight will be at 9 p.m., 8 p.m. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream sandwich that I've been craving for. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.